Poi sashasha ngifethe ngoba sesibona neshashazo ngatho abokritika nje obona lapha nthi balisana namaphoyisa lokuze emva uba imeya ifikile yathi meya okay it's fine nethi now maphepha okay it's fine okay let me arrange some buses very quickly arrange namabhasi very quickly sizonifaka emabhasini niyahamba nako home affairs kephi just to verify ama documents in that's why the shukushuma abanye badla pass. Oh no, we don't verify us. We're running. Babaleda nje ubona ngalo wesifazane lo uyakora. Hey, yangila. Hey. It's very fast verifyani. Our documents are legit. So sikonze ukuthi ezinye zeinkinga lezo izibhekene nalo. Abantu abafuni ukuyo verify whether their documents are for real, are legit or not. They are running away, but they claim that they have documents. Oh, it's public ladies. But when it's come to verifying them, oh no, don't verify them. We're running. Kunzima, but it looks like iphupho labantu baseNingizimu Afrika liyafezeka. Because uma wathola vele phela iphepha lakho alikho semthethweni vele you're just going.